and welcome to the Efficient Public Servant. My name is Claudie Larouche, and today I'm going to show you how to use contact groups in Outlook to create a contact group for your whole team so that whenever you want to email your team, you can just use that. You don't have to remember who's on your team. So to do that, you have to use the icon that is located here. I don't know if you've ever noticed, it's a little bit small. So if I click on that, I can access the contacts section of Outlook, and I will create a new contact group here to create a brand new contact group. So as a free agent, I get to travel from different departments, working on different teams. This is one of the first things I do when I start a new assignment, create a contact group for my whole team. So now I've created a empty contact group. I'm just going to call this Team A. And when I arrive in a new assignment, I just add all my team members. I'm just going to add one just to show you how it works. So you click on Add Member from Outlook Contacts. Make sure here you select your your global address list. I'm just going to type my name. I'll add myself to the group. And when you're done adding all your colleagues one by one, you can click Save and Close. And you now have your contact group here. So to use it, you just go back to your emails and create a new email, and then you can start typing the name of your team. And then that will send an email to your whole contact group. And actually, if you want to see who's in there, you can click the little plus to expand it, and that'll show you the list of names. And the last thing I want to show you related to that is that you can actually create a contact group that contains other contact groups. So for example, if I go back here, I could actually create a new contact group that contains, let's see, from address book. So this time I will use my own contacts and I'll search for Team A. So I could actually add Team A, B, and C, let's say, to this contact groups and call it my whole directorate. So if I want to send an email to the whole directorate, I could do it easily by adding each team separately. So I hope this video was very useful to you. Feel free to share it with your team members. I would appreciate. And as always, you can click on subscribe to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the little bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. And also, I have a newsletter you can sign up to. The link is in the video description. Thank you, and have a good day.